G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car In Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a walk around tour of this 2012 Holden Colorado LT 4x4 automatic dual cab. To be honest folks, this is probably one of the cleanest Colorados I've ever seen since my time in the car industry, so 25 years worth of in the car industry. Vehicle presents immaculately, the carpets are in great order, the car is in great condition. Has to be seen to believe. The photos probably won't do it justice, but these are the reason we do the videos, is to give you a really good understanding of the car that you're looking at with us. Presents very, very well. And vehicle in this condition at this age and Ks, to be honest, is the best Colorado I've physically ever seen since starting as a young 21-year-old whippersnapper in the car industry. So I've got the car running in the video. I will take you through the exterior and the interior all the way through the unit itself. We'll start from the driver's door. It does have a set of slimline weather shields fitted on the ute. I think it may have window tint. Very hard because it's a bit grey today, but really clean condition, as you've seen the paint condition on the way through on that driver's front door. Mirror scalp, driver's door presents really well. You'll see my reflection in the background. Does have a set of aftermarket side steps fitted, but it is phenomenal. One of the cleanest ones again I've ever seen. Sorry I keep harping on it. Does have a safari snorkel fitted also. So they have really spent a lot of money on this vehicle and they've cared for it really, really well. So kudos to the previous owner. Quite rare these days, but it has been looked after phenomenally well. Front guard section again, really clean condition. Down to your steel rims. Oh, sorry, they're an alloy wheels, sorry, on the LT. Good set of quality tyres on there as well. They're Toyo tyres. Tyre condition is fantastic. Alloy wheels in great order. Coming to the front of the vehicle, does have a genuine Colorado bonnet protector, a genuine Holden steel bull bar. Does have the LED driving light on the front as well. But as you'll see, not a mark on there whatsoever on the bull bar, the driving light, even the bonnet protector. Absolutely phenomenal. Really clean condition. Up to your bonnet section. Sorry, it's a little bit wet. We've had rain for the last couple of days, so the rain has stopped for the last 5 or 6 minutes. I've just run outside to do a video while the rain has stopped. And sometimes doing a video a bit monotonous, but this one is a pleasure to do just because the condition is huge. Coming to the front guard on the passenger side, again, really clean condition. No major scratches or marks on there whatsoever. You'll see the reflection in the video, beautiful condition. Coming to your Toyo tyre, your alloy wheel again, phenomenal condition. And then heading along the passenger side just to show you the exterior as we walk around. Again, slimline weather shields, front and rear door on that passenger side also. Again, that paint condition is absolutely phenomenal. Then your side steps are in great condition as well, like they've never been stepped on. Really clean condition. It also does have a set of ProRack aftermarket roof racks fitted also. You'll see photos of these will be on the website also as well. So front and rear racks on the roof, and then coming back to your rear door, just on that passenger side. Absolutely phenomenal. Beautiful condition. Coming to the rear quarter panel, or the tub side of the ute, say. Again, phenomenal condition. I guarantee this ute will not last long, so if you are inquiring on the vehicle, please do not leave it long because they don't come up like this very often at all. Your rear tyre, alloy wheel again in great condition, so Toyos all the way around. Now I'm just going to check if I left this canopy open or not. Remember when I did the photos? Yes I did, thank God. I'll open this one as well. So lift up windows on driver's side and passenger side. I'm not sure what brand Canopy is. Hopefully it'll tell me on the way through, but as you'll see inside the Canopy, it does have a genuine Holden Colorado tub liner. Again, not a mark on it. We'll open the tailgates to show you through there as well. But really clean condition. We'll shut that Canopy window as well. And we do have the keys for the Canopy too, for locking and unlocking. To the back end of the vehicle, again, absolutely phenomenal. If I kind of pan the camera around, you'll see really clean condition. Tailgate again in great order. Your rear protection step, again beautiful condition. Your tow bar, auxiliary plugs there also as well. Also your reversing light. But as you'll see, really clean throughout. Beautiful condition. I'll open that tailgate section just to show through the rear tub as well. You'll see he's even got a blanket for his spare battery or dual battery system, so really clean condition. Just shows you has looked after it really well. Nice little foam cover to pop on top so it doesn't vibrate. Velcro there. So it's been thought through really, really well. You've got your solar charge, which has got solar on the roof of this vehicle as well. You'll see by the handwriting it has been owned by an elderly man. So you've got all the plugs fitted all the way through. Just have so many goodies. And once you see the interior, if you come in person as well, you'll see it has been cared for really well. So continuing on from the rear end, on the driver's side, really clean condition. Again, your tub's in great order. And we'll continue around to the rear tyre. Again, Toyota tyres all the way around. Alloy wheels in great condition. And then we'll continue on to the back door for the exterior. So the complete exterior condition, as you see, really clean condition. I'll open up the door just to show you through the interior also. But as you, this is where you'll see, I've taken photos of the carpet. And if you look at that carpet section, absolutely phenomenal. Does not look like a 2012 model utility. Very clean throughout. Beautiful condition. Over to that front passenger seat again. Just to show you through the condition. Beautiful all the way through. Over to your door card on that passenger side. And then continue on with the fabric. The interior, absolutely beautiful. Back to your door card. Just on that driver's side. Again, really clean throughout. I know half on it's very clean, but it is absolutely beautiful. And we'll open that driver's door just to complete the interior condition. So that door card on that driver's side, really clean condition. The carpet flooring, some of my wet feet there from the water, but as you see, the carpet's in beautiful condition. Same with the seating. Absolutely phenomenal. So the radio's going in the background. I'll try and turn that down as we kind of continue the video. That's a bit better. Over to your passenger seat. Again, really clean condition. All your seating wise just has been really well cared for. Driver's door card. Dash mat's another telltale sign for an elderly couple as well. So you get dash mat there as well. But absolutely phenomenal. So I'll jump inside the ute just to show you through interior wise and give you the exact kilometres as well. So exact kilometres the car has travelled is 298,534. So they're the kilometres it has travelled as of today. Coming back to your steering wheel, you do have your volume control, your Bluetooth buttons, your mode button for your stereo system. And on the right hand side is your cruise control, on and off buttons and set buttons. Through your stereo system, it's just a standard AM FM radio. It does have Bluetooth capabilities. Standard air conditioning and heating. Beneath that is your red arc electric brake unit fitted there as well. Your traction control. And then back to your transmission, which is just your automatic transmission, of course. And then your 4x4 dial for your four-wheel drive low high settings as well. So as you'll see, really clean condition, beautifully presented, absolutely fanatical. This will not last that long. So please, if you have any questions moving forward, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at the dealership. You're going to speak to either Andrew or myself. We'll both look after you very well. But it's been a pleasure to take you through this video today of our 2012 Holden Colorado. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at the dealership and speak to Andrew or Glenn. But hopefully we've found the right Colorado for you. Have a great day.